Now let's see how we can reconcile a bank account or a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Bank reconciliation is a very important accounting process. Most businesses perform reconciliation every month, usually after receiving the monthly bank statement. Some businesses may also reconcile more frequently. The purpose of reconciliation is to make sure that the transactions recorded in QuickBooks match the transactions shown by the bank. In simple words, reconciliation means comparing the records in QuickBooks with the records from the bank statement. This helps confirm that all transactions are recorded correctly and that nothing is missing or duplicated. Now let's see how reconciliation works in QuickBooks Online. From the left navigation menu, go to All Apps, then Accounting, and click Reconcile. This opens the reconciliation screen. At the top, QuickBooks asks us to select the account that we want to reconcile. For example, we can choose a savings account or a credit card account. Let's select the savings account. Once we select the account, QuickBooks shows a few important fields. The first field is the beginning balance. This is the ending balance from the previous reconciliation. QuickBooks automatically fills this value, and normally we should not edit it. Next, we enter the statement ending balance. This is the ending balance shown on the bank statement that we received from the bank. Then we enter the statement ending date, which is the closing date of the bank statement. Before that, we have to match or categorize all the transactions. If there is any transactions that need to be matched or categorized, we will get a warning message on top of reconciliation page. We can click there to go to the bank transactions page, or we can go there directly from home page. Suppose the bank statement shows that the account balance should be $800. However, QuickBooks currently shows only $600 because there is a $200 deposit transaction that has not yet been matched or categorized properly. There is a deposit transaction of $200 that was still waiting for review. Now we go back to the bank transactions area and properly match or categorize that $200 deposit. Once the transaction is correctly matched, QuickBooks includes it in the account balance. Now when we return to the reconciliation screen, now click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks calculates something called the difference. The difference value shows whether the QuickBooks records match the bank statement exactly. Our goal is to make this difference equal to 0. If the difference is not 0, it usually means a transaction is missing. Once the difference becomes 0, we can click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. Now the account has been reconciled successfully. After reconciliation is completed, we can also view a reconciliation report. To do that, go back to the Reconcile section. There we will see an option called Summary. When we open the summary, QuickBooks displays the reconciliation report. This report includes details such as beginning balance, cleared payments, cleared deposits, ending balance, and the final difference. This confirms that the reconciliation was completed successfully. Reconciliation is one of the most important accounting tasks because it helps ensure that your bookkeeping records match the actual bank records accurately. A good practice is to reconcile your accounts regularly and always make sure the difference value is 0 before finishing the reconciliation process.